Hey guys, I have multi-booted on a 40 GB hard disk, and I am running right now. I'm running 4 operating system on a 40 GB hard disk, and it's running very fine. So, what are those operating systems? And first of all, it's Ubuntu, that is Linux-based operating system, and the others are Windows 8, Windows 7, and PhoenixOS, that is Android-based operating system. All are 32-bit. Even though my processor supports 64-bit, I have installed 32-bit to make them all run together with low memory. Now the memory for the software storage and the game storage are there, and it's for the SATA drive that I've attached to it. But the primary IDE drive has these 4 operating system. So whenever I load my computer, the GRUB bootloader comes up, and in this bootloader I have option of Ubuntu and Windows 8 loader. So the problem is that when you actually install Ubuntu on a pre-installed Windows 8 or Windows 7 or anything, so you actually overwrite the bootloader. So GRUB bootloader doesn't come up, and you have to go Windows 8 loader comes up directly without the option of Ubuntu loading Ubuntu. So what you have to do is we can install boot repair, or we can do a boot repair disk. You can use a boot repair disk. So whenever you do that, we have the option of opening Ubuntu and then Windows 8 loader. When you open Windows, it automatically open Ubuntu, but when we'll select Windows 8 loader, it will give her additional options like wait to load. It's very a quick boot, so it doesn't take a lot of time, and you can see there are 3 options here: Windows 8, Windows 7, PhoenixOS. That's Android based operating system. So whenever I click Windows 8, it will directly boot into it, but when I click Windows 7, it will restart, and again the GRUB bootloader come with the same options. So we have to again press Windows 8 loader to get into Windows 7, otherwise we won't go into it. If you want to do something like that with your computer, you can ask for the tutorial, and I'll be willing to help everyone out that will ask for it.